My name is Patty Dooley. I've been an attorney for 29 years. I've worked for the Mike Morse Firm for 9 years, and I went to Detroit College of Law. A few things I love about my work here at the Mike Morse Firm is helping all of our clients resolve their cases, getting them to know, working through the process of the litigation process. I work with cases from before trial to try and resolve the cases, and it's very rewarding when we're able to help people out here at the firm. I'm very proud that I put myself through Michigan State University. I put myself then through law school at Detroit College of Law. I've worked hard my whole life. I know what hard work is all about, and I continue to do that here at the Mike Morse Firm. When I'm not working, I like to hang out with my family, my dog. I like to golf. I love all types of sports. I love to go to all the sporting events, all different things. I like to hang out with my sisters and my mother and my family. I'd like my clients to know that I'm very hardworking. I have their best interests at heart. They come first, okay, to get their cases resolved for the best value if possible. And I always put them first.